it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm excited to present to you my new series, Painting a Planeswalker. This series is dedicated to my boyfriend on his birthday. Everybody please wish him a happy birthday down in the comments. You can just say happy birthday, boyfriend. I'm not making his identity public at this time. So happy birthday, boyfriend. This is all for you. And what this series is going to be is every episode I am going to do a more costume special effects type look based on a Planeswalker from Magic the Gathering. Magic the Gathering is a card game, for those of you who don't know. It's actually a very popular card game, and the Planeswalkers are basically the most powerful and important characters. I'm trying to really simplify it. Like, I'm a newbie to Magic the Gathering, and I'm sure there's other people who need it simplified like I did. So there you go. That's what a Planeswalker is, like the most powerful, important characters. And as I am doing these costume special effects types looks on the Planeswalkers, I will also be telling you guys about the characters and their history and, you know, just why they're so important. And I hope you guys enjoy this series. Please let me know any feedback you have for this series in the comments down below. Since it's brand new, you know, any adjustments I can make, I would love to hear it. And this is half of the look right here for the first Planeswalker, Liliana Vess. Liliana is my boyfriend's favorite, so that's why we are starting this series with her. And I am basing this look off of the War of the Spark trailer. This is what she looks like in that trailer, and so I did this look right here. But I will also be doing a second half of this look and really transforming it and going crazy and having fun. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna quit babbling and jump into the look and the lore. Liliana Vess is a black-aligned planeswalker, originally from the plane of Dominaria. She came from a very prominent and noble house, the House of Vess. One day her brother, whom she loved dearly, fell under a mysterious sickness. With her brother at death's door, she began searching a nearby battlefield for a special herb which held the key to curing him. While she was scouring the battlefield, she was tricked by a mysterious man who told her that the herbs she was looking for were all destroyed. Crushed by this, she was tricked into casting a dark spell, which she believed could still save her brother from death. She was wrong. Instead of saving him, she had turned him into an undead creature. He turned, killing everyone in sight before setting his eyes on his own sister, the source of his corruption. He began choking the life out of her, but in the moment of her death, her spark ignited. Power swept over her, the power to both create life and destroy it. With a simple movement of her hands, the dead servants on the floor lurched to life and began attacking her brother, saving Liliana from certain death. As the reanimated corpses pulled her brother away, she felt a pull from behind her, and the entire world seemed to dissolve, and she planeswalked for the first time. In the blink of an eye, her brother and her home were gone. Liliana began traveling the multiverse, learning from the best necromancers and black mages she could find. She studied on Innistrad, Shalendar, and countless other planes. Then the mending happened. Planeswalkers were once gods, their power unmatched, immortal, eternal, ineffable. But the mending of time rifts on her home plane of Dominaria changed the nature of the Planeswalker spark forever. She was no longer immortal, young, and beautiful forever. She began seeking a way to regain that which she lost and entered into a bargain with 4 demons: Griselbrand, Kothofeed, Razakath, and Belzenok. Her soul for eternal youth and immense power. But unbeknownst to her, she was transformed into the puppet of these demons. They held sway and control over her, using her for horrible acts. Realizing what she did, she set out to free herself from the control of the demons. But to do that, she needed even more power. She traveled to the plane of Shalendar and retrieved an artifact of unspeakable power, the Chain Veil, a veil permeated with the souls and lives of the population of an entire world who were cruelly murdered in an instant. With her newfound weapon, she planeswalked from plane to plane, killing Kothofeed on Shalendar before traveling to Innistrad to kill Griselbrand. She made her way to Amonkhet to kill Razakath before finally returning to her home plane of Dominaria, where she killed Balzenlock. With the holders of her contract all dead, she believed herself free. She was wrong. The contract then defaulted to its broker, the tyrannical dragon planeswalker Nicol Bolas. It had always been his plan to have her kill the demons so that he could seize control of the contract himself. Holding her now as his slave, he used Liliana and her powers of necromancy to lead his zombie army to the plane of Ravnica, where he was to spring his ultimate trap. He was going to use her amongst other slaves to slaughter as many planeswalkers as he could to absorb their sparks and regain his godhood. Liliana was bereft. Her friends watched on as she led his army through the streets of Ravnica. They believed she had betrayed them all, not knowing she was now only a slave to the dragon god. But she did not spend years trying to free herself, only for her to become re-enslaved. She turned on her new master, sending his zombied army to attack him. With nothing more than a look and a curl of his talons, he retaliated, causing the lettering of her contract to burn as Liliana began to self-immolate. Suddenly, Bolas became distracted by a new assault upon him. Liliana took her opportunity to planeswalk away to an unknown place. With the defeat of Bolas, the survivors of the War of the Spark made a vow to hunt down all of Bolas's allies and kill them, amongst them Liliana. What will happen to her? One of the most tragic anti-heroes in all of Magic lore. And this is the completed Liliana Vess look. I modeled the final look after this picture right here from the War of the Spark trailer, where she is catching on fire for defying Nicol Bolas. And I had a lot of fun creating this, so if you have any planeswalkers that you would like to see me do next, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, any thoughts, opinions you have on this new series, I would love to hear your feedback because this is a new series, so I'm still working it out. Again, happy birthday, boyfriend. I love you. I love you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this tribute to you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.